Growth begins from the day an individual is born. A newborn baby has a complete set of sex organs. However, the testes of a baby boy are not yet able to make sperms, and the ovaries of a baby girl can't produce eggs, even though hundreds of immature eggs are already present in them. Hello everyone, so in this video I will be telling you about adolescence and the related physical changes. So what is adolescence? Growing up is a natural process, the period of life when the body undergoes development leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. The period between 10 to 19 years of age in an individual's life is called adolescence. It normally begins around the age of 12 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. However, this period may vary from person to person, that's individual to individual. In girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in boys. Adolescence is a transitional stage of physical and mental human development that occurs between childhood and adulthood. The term adolescence is derived from a Latin word adolescere, which means to grow to maturity. If you didn't know this, hit the like button. It is a time of rapid development of growing towards physical and sexual maturity. An adolescent is neither an adult nor a child. What are the physical changes during adolescence? Now, upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spurt in growth which is quite noticeable. These changes taking place in the body under the influence of hormones are part of growing up. The following are the changes that occur during adolescence. As you can see, the first one is increase in height. The most visible and conspicuous change during adolescence is the sudden increase in height. During this period, the bones of the arms and legs elongate, the weight of the body also increases. Initially, girls grow faster than boys, but towards the end of their adolescence period, both reach the maximum height. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Now, you might have noticed that when you visit a relative after many months, they say that, oh, she has grown so tall, or oh, he has grown so tall, so tall. So this is probably because of you going through the period of adolescence. So the next is change in voice. So during adolescence, the larynx or the voice box begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes. This can be seen in boys as protruding part of the throat, which has been called Adam's apple. In girls, the voice box is smaller in size. Generally, girls have a high-pitched voice, whereas boys have a deep, hoarse, and low-pitched voice. Now, you must have observed that some of your classmates develop a hoarse voice. This is due to the muscles of the growing voice box that develop to larger extent, changing their voice. The situation remains for a brief period, maybe for a few months. After that, the voice becomes absolutely normal. The next is change in body shape. So, boys generally have longer bones and more muscles as compared to girls. Now, you all must have noticed that boys have a more muscular body than girls. So boys have broader shoulders and narrow hips, while girls have curvaceous body and broader hips due to enlargement of hip bones. The next is increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Sweat glands produce sweat and sebaceous glands are the oil producing glands of our skin. So during adolescence, the secretion of sweat and sebaceous glands increases. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increased activity of these glands in the skin. Now, if you are the one getting these pimples and acne, do not worry. It's all normal and it's all gonna go once you pass this adolescence age. So, in the next video, I'll be telling you about development of sexual and primary and secondary sexual characters during adolescence. So, thanks for watching.